Hello. We are back for another day of boot.dev, and I am ready for it. Okay, still working on streaming stuff, still trying to figure out what all the settings are and all that fun jazz. But I did add a sweet little window that's supposed to show my stats, but now I'm realizing it's in the wrong spot. Why did that change after I went live? Oh man. Okay, let's see if I can fix it. I wanted to keep an eye on my temperature, and so I, did the old terminal and then did a crop shot, and the crop shot ain't working anymore. So let's figure out. Looks like you don't have any. Okay, let's see. What did I do wrong here? I need to go down further. 500? Nope. 600? No. Oh, is there? I don't know if you guys know if there's a better way to crop in. Oh, duh. I see why. Because I accidentally stopped it. Duh. Okay. Let's try this again. Oh, I'm also a fool. Never mind. I'm turning this off. I thought iStats like ran in the background, and so like actually monitor it. I mean, I could still use it, and I could use it to check how things are doing, but it doesn't actually stay live and keep updating. So we'll just get rid of that because that is silly and doesn't make sense to have as a thing. Oh yeah, crushing it. Absolutely crushing it. All right, here I'm gonna share the old linky and oh hey, what's up, Ross? How you doing, man? Which course you doing? I'm just doing the Python one, so I'm on to the sets chapter 11 sets quiz. It's been fun. It's been one of those things, like a huge reminder of just, oh, I'm really not very good at coding. So it's been a good it's been a good reminder that I should keep practicing. But it's been a lot of fun. How's the rest of the rest of low level streams? He still hanging out, being frustrated? Oh, nice. Which teach course did you do? No. Nice. You know what, man? So when I first started doing it, I was doing like I didn't actually pay for it, and I was just, oh, memory management. Yeah, that sounds intense. When you see how much I struggle on this Python stuff that I'm working on, I feel like the idea of dropping out of memory management is not something that would be surprising to happen to me as well. Uh, it's funny. I haven't done Python in a long time, and so I've been getting back into it and just like absolutely crushing myself with how bad I am at this. Oh, but for those of you that have been kind of following along the whole time, I because I was gonna lose my streak again, I finished dictionary vendor off. I did have to use boots. I I am ashamed to admit it, but I needed boots. I needed boots because no matter what my brain was telling me, this part I kept trying to like add nested for loops, and for some reason I was doing all of this random stuff and could not remember that not in is a Python thing. And so I was just sitting there going through it, couldn't get anything to work out, couldn't figure it out, and finally I gave up. I surrendered to the boots, and boots helped me out. But all I asked them was one question. I only asked boots one question, and so it wasn't too bad. I mean, I'm telling myself that because I want to feel better about myself. But it was good. It was good. Okay. So we are on now. We're on to sets. I did one set as well last night because I didn't have time to stream, but I needed to continue my streak. Cannot let the boot.dev streak end. But we're back in it. We're going to move on to sets and see what we can do. Okay. So if you are interested in learning to code, by the way, do boots dev. Lane always has pretty solid deals going on, and so I just went ahead and picked up the year when they did like their 50% Black Friday or Cyber Monday, whatever it was. And it's been awesome because before I was doing it, and like you'd get to a point where you can only do so many of the course, like so many pieces of each course. And it would be like right when it was getting to the stuff that I didn't know or was like really uncomfortable with, it would reset. Or you wouldn't be able to go any further. And I was just like, I want to go further because I want to make sure I spend more time learning this stuff. And so it took a little bit of time to get there. And then eventually I caved and bought it. And it's been the best purchase that I've made all year probably. So very, very pleased with that result. I said I was going to do this and then I didn't do it. I wanted to very quickly just share that we're live on the old X.com, also known as Twitter. I still have a hard time saying X, but I am running an experiment where to see if I say X more frequently, if I get more impressions. That's just one of my, I like to run a lot of really weird social experiments. Like I'm also doing on LinkedIn, I legitimately have just recorded and, or not recorded, I used ChatGPT to bust out a bunch of content for LinkedIn, as well as the descriptions to fill out the forms for me. So I just have a whole bunch of content going out on LinkedIn that is completely AI generated. Yeah, dude. Honestly, other than the fact that I'm using it just to be ridiculous, Ross, I would have deleted it too. I mean, there's no need for it. I just have it just to mess around now. I'm trying to see if I can make anything happen by just using AI content. Use absolutely zero mental brain power to post on that website and see what happens. More brain rot from LinkedIn than TikTok? Yeah, absolutely. LinkedIn is horrible. I mean, like, all of these twisted personal stories that they make into some sort of business lesson, it's out of control. Like, I don't understand why you're sharing this stuff. Like, nobody needs 30 things I learned about B2B SaaS sales from my horrific divorce that scarred my children. Like, it's just not a needed thing. But for some reason, LinkedIn, baby. You know, why not? It's so silly. I actually just got myself on TikTok again. I had an account on TikTok, got locked out, can never re-access it. But it was that old account I used to do. What's this, Ross? Oh, my wife left me for Chad. Here's a learn about memory management. Oh, man. Okay, so, like, let's be honest, Ross. I would actually read that. That sounds fascinating. Yeah, I just got back on TikTok. I had an account where, like, I was pixelizing logos. So I do it on, like, a 16 by 16 pixel grid. And I did a bunch of those for, like, a month. I was just doing, like, one a day. And then I lost the access to the account. And I don't know if you've ever tried to reset your LinkedIn password or, like, get back on LinkedIn once you've lost that stuff. I believe it's absolutely impossible as far as I can tell. So I have given up. And so I started a new one. And I'm just kind of posting these videos and little clips to give it a go. See what happens. Okay. I am doing the post on X. And then I am coming back here. You know what I always have found weird? Is why is it not super easy to share your stream link directly from Stream Manager on Twitch? Like, you'd think it would just be like the most giant button of, hey, you should share this because you want people to come to Twitch. And you think Twitch would want that. You think they would be like, yeah, share it to everybody. Here's the giant link for your URL. As far as I can tell, it is nowhere easy to be found. There's a share button on your... but yeah, on my channel page, right? But not in the Stream Manager. Isn't that weird? I don't know. I think that's weird. But I'm going to go to my page and do that because you are correct. That is... Yeah, right? Not on Stream Manager. Okay, at least I'm just not... I haven't, like, lost my mind. I am always worried that I am the one losing my mind, not anything else. Okay, so here. I'm on here. It's probably going to double volume me for a second. Just also move the stream info bar to the top. Yeah. I know there's lots of jokes about, like, they moved it to the top. It's like, do they Does nobody at Twitch use Twitch? I know that there's the running gag, but it really does feel like that. Hey, there's Kadoosh. What's going on, man? Oh, you are losing your mind. They're just being nice. Thanks, man. Hey, the good thing about losing your mind is that you don't even realize it. So it's kind of perfect, actually. Okay, it's finally happening. I'm posting the link, and then we are going to do boot.dev for a little bit. I don't know how much time I have. Probably not a lot. I've been trying to do these like for half hour max because then I have other things to do. But depending on the problem and as I start getting into the coding and realize how bad I am at it, it might take a lot longer. Okay, we're live. Boom. It is fun, though. Do any of you guys in the chat, do you guys switch to Zen browser the day they did that UI change? Thought it was something that browsers did. Oh. That's hilarious. Do any of you guys stream? Like, I honestly have wanted to do this to stream for so long and was so embarrassed about how I didn't know what to talk about and I was terrible at coding. And then when I started using boot.dev, I was like, oh, I could do this. I could just do this and stream. And that gets me over the, everyone totally expects that you're going to be bad, or at least I hope they do. But I have it's a silly goal, but my goal would be if I could somehow get somebody else who's like, I'm also bad at something but want to learn to stream. I feel like that's a win. Oh, nice, Ross. You just started? What are you normally streaming? Do you stream like development, or what are you working on? I'm trying to watch more streams too so I can learn more about what people are doing, what works. Obviously, as you can tell, my stream is very basic and I don't know what I'm doing. Recently streamed developing my first Ember plugin. Oh, nice. How'd it go? Was it fun? Like, did you enjoy doing it? Because I definitely found I enjoy it way more than I thought I was going to. Like, I have really found it fun to do. Yeah, cool. I mean, it's funny. Like, there were 5 viewers in here at one point, and that is by far the highest I've ever had. But even when it was 0, just talking to myself, it's a good time. It works. Oh, well, we don't do that here. No. No. Working code, that's for the big boys. I don't handle that one. Hey, that's cool, man. That's really awesome. Did you open source it? Is it available somewhere? Oh, I need to be better at window management. I have too many things open and I don't remember where everything is. And then I'm trying to find it and I'm like, oh, this is silly. Okay. Yeah, that's all I get. Nice, dude. Hey, Alex, what's up, man? Dude, excited to have you here. How are things going? Wait, what? I have a star. What are you, Alex? What are you talking about, man? Scenarios don't get faster. I hate opening file trees or fuzzy finders 1,000 times a second. Yeah, that's fair. Okay, hold on. I might have to do like a retransition because I'm trying. Why is that still showing up? Oh yeah, there we go. Perfect. Awesome. There's no way the fuzzy finder is a real word. I know. It is. It's a real word. Oh man. This is wild. 6 viewers, 10 followers. Guys, I think I made it. I think I can quit my job now. This is great. I'm having way too much fun. Well, Alex, you came in at a good time because I'm actually going to start doing some boot.dev and see what happens. So, okay. Sets quiz. We are doing Python retirement stream. Yeah, exactly. Perfect. I'm into it. I said on my first stream that like I know part of this is, reading and speaking out loud, obviously, while you're trying to do stuff, but my brain struggles with that so much. So I'll sit here and I'll read through what the assignment is or whatever. And by the end, I'm like, oh, I have no idea what I just read. I literally have no clue. Whatever I just read is completely garbled and doesn't make any sense. And so I think that also contributes to my skill issue, or at least I'm going to try and blame it a little bit. But Yeah. Thanks everyone for coming. It's like wild how enjoyable this is and how happy this makes me. I really did not think it would be something that I was into as much as I am, and now I'm just like, I get it. I get why people do this. I'm totally on board with the idea, and everyone should do it because it's super fun. All right, I've said this 100 times now, and I actually mean it. Sets quiz. Sets are like lists, but they are unordered and they guarantee uniqueness. Only one of each value can be in a set. Okay, so if you have a set of fruits and you print it, it'll print them all. If you add values and you try to re-add something that's already there, it won't add it because it already exists in the set. When you iterate over values in a set, order is not guaranteed. So every time you print it, it could be a different order. And removing values is just with remove. So add and remove. All right, so what's the question? How do I... almost forgot. I always do this. But if you're ever doing boot.dev, do not forget to start a quest. Or else you miss out on the extra XP and you'll hate your life. All right. So how do I remove an item from my set? My set.remove item. That looks accurate to me. Boom. Yeah! Okay, I lied about everything about being bad at coding. I'm clearly one of the best coders on the planet. That was amazing. Okay, so this is all the same. This sets quiz stuff, that's all the same. So what is the type of my underscore val in the following statement? My val equals... Ooh, what is the type? So that's going to be... Not gonna lie, I've considered streaming for fun too. So this is inspiring. I have to go finish this newsletter for Twist. We'll catch the next one, BB. I love you too, man, and good luck. Looking forward to the newsletter. But yes, stream. I've one of these times I'm going to stream while I'm writing. I want to stream playing video games. I want to stream while drawing. It's just like I have a horrible commitment to doing things, and if I say I'm going to stream, I feel like it forces me to do it. So if that works for you too, that'd be awesome, and I would 100% watch anything you stream if I am available. I have kids, and as you know, they want your attention and want you to be a good dad, and unfortunately I still do have to do that first, but then streaming. So kids first, then streaming. Don't tell my wife I said that. She's in that list too. We're just gonna edit that out. Yeah, wife and kids, that's what I said. Anyways, so what is the type of my val in the following statement? So it's got the old curly bees, which means it's going to be a set? No, a dictionary. Right? Yeah, I knew it. Oh no. So silly. I'm going to stream Bolo when I get home from Christmas with family. It's also a challenge for myself. Yes, exactly. That's, it seems to work. I do like, boots. Should I get boots to explain? Sure, why not? Certainly, young coder. This question is about understanding what kind of data structure is created by using the curly braces syntax in Python. When you assign my vals, this syntax creates empty dictionary, not a set. Yes, I knew it did both, but because we were on sets, I let myself be swayed. So set, oh right, oh duh, I just forgot the lesson from yesterday. You need to specify set to create a set, and then it uses the curly braces, but it doesn't create one when you do an empty curly brace. That's a dictionary. See? We're learning Python in here. Oh yeah. Kicking butt and taking names. You know what I need to do? I accidentally got rid of the chat in OBS. And I feel like if I did that, then I wouldn't have to keep cheap viewers on stream. But I feel like... Did I just get my first, fake out? My first spam? Oh, I don't know how to ban anyone. I don't know how to do any of that stuff in here. So I got to figure a filter to get rid of that. I got that yesterday too. Yeah, I don't even know how to do that. But I legit don't. How do you get rid of it? Turn on shield mode. What if I do that? I wonder what that does. Okay. Yeah. Right click on the name. Wait, what? I can't right click. If I right click, it's just opening up a thing. Oh, I see. I gotta click it first, then manage suspicious user. Oh, here we go. Ban Timeout, Warn, Mod. Should I make him a mod instead? I mean, sounds like Stream Boo's pretty sweet. Okay, now we are going to ban Mr. Bobley. Sorry, Mr. Bobley. You have been banned. Hey, that's my first ban. Woo! BANHAMMER. Let's do it. All right. All right. You guys said ban. I think he could have been a good mod, but whatever. Yeah, free viewers, right? It's good. Okay, what does shield mode do? Does that just like slow down chat? Chat will be cleared and any settings selected in shield mode will immediately be activated. Oh, don't do that. That sounds terrifying. Okay. Chat highlight settings? Oh yeah, man, there's so many settings in here. I love it. I just need more time to figure it all out. Okay, let's get back to what we were doing. Boots, thanks for the explanation. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, more questions. They're really hard on the questions and sets. Okay, wait. Is the 3 stars you cursing? Is that what that is? Do I have safety on? Is that what that does? Oh, first ban. Woo! I know. I feel really proud about my first ban. Emotes only chat. Followers only chat. Shield mode. Oh my goodness. There's so much stuff. Stream announce chat appearance. I also need to learn all the like cool animations so when people do stuff it shows up. Lots to learn. Lots to do. Lots of time. Oh, I increased my settings a little bit from last time because I did find that trying to do it at 30 FPS, the video quality wasn't that great. And I upgraded to 60, but then I started doing the, what did I do? I was able to set the processing on like the Mac hardware. Anyways, it seemed to work out really well. And as far as I can tell, at least with this stream, here, you're going to lose my face for a second, but it doesn't seem to be getting too hot, which is good. I was worried that it was going to get like boiling. Like, it's definitely not cold, but I don't know. Maybe I can figure out something. I was reading online because I have like a Samsung laptop that's got an NVIDIA 4050 in it. And so I was reading and they were like, you should probably use that for streaming, but it's also super annoying to have to set it all up again. Anyways, okay, back to coding / answering questions because I'm not currently at a coding section, which is awesome because I keep getting everything right. All right, let's see. Actually, that's a huge lie. It's a huge lie. I got the last question wrong. I don't know why I just said I keep getting them right. It was... Don't trust anything I say, everyone. I'm clearly full of it, and I don't know what I'm doing. That is amazing. Oh my god. I said that totally straight-faced, and I like legitimately meant it, only to realize very quickly. Ugh. Okay. I've never been tested for ADHD. I did take an ADHD drug once, and it completely altered how I acted that day. And I was like, oh, I should probably do this. And the only reason I'm saying that is because then I booked an appointment to get checked and then couldn't go. And now it's just fallen off the map of things that I can focus on. It's just like, okay, well, this is never happening, apparently. I'm completely over it. Okay, let's get through some of this because I need to earn my chest. Okay, that's the goal. We're going to earn this chest before we get off stream. And then kids are coming home soon from school and hanging out with their grandparents. So we've got goals. No more jibber jabbering. I did get to the stage where I had to do a written test. Dude, you never did the written test for ADHD? Like, they should just mail you the drugs right after that. And just be like, hey, you obviously have it because you can't even do the test to see if you do. That's... I totally feel you on that, though. The test should literally just be, you have to book an appointment, and if you don't show up, you have ADHD. Like, it's almost a guaranteed sign. So, all right. Which would be a good use of set? To store ID, user pairs, to store all the possible spells in a game, to store all the enemies in a game by difficulty. I'm going to go with all the spells in the game because once you have one spell, you don't want to store them again. And that's a good use of a set. Thank you, boot.dev. absolutely crushing it. I think the next one's going to finally be like a coding challenge. Yeah, okay. Optional challenge. Is that it for sets? Oh, dang. I'm already in the optional ones. I'm getting through this Python course. I'm excited. Okay. Duplicates. Oh, wait, what did I just do? Oh, yeah. Players are complaining that they aren't able to see their collections easily. Currently, every collectible item is displayed, even the duplicates. Players want to see each artifact once, even if they have collected more than one of them. Assignment. Complete the remove duplicates function. It accepts a list of strings and removes any duplicate values. It should utilize and return a set, not a list. Bonus points if you can write the body of the function in a single line of code. Okay, so I'm going to assume it's going to be something like return. Can I just do this? Can I set the set and return it at the same time? See, I don't even know, but we're just going to try. So what if I just do this? What if I do return set dot set? Sure, why not? LSD. Can you do that? I don't even know. Let's find out. Nope. It was worth a shot. Set has no attribute set. Oh, shush. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try and do it the slow way first. So we need a set. So we're going to call it list equals set, right? I think that's right. And then list dot, oh, or do you have to do like a, do you have to do a 4? I'm just going to do this first. List dot add. What happens if I do this? Nope, that's broken. Unhashable type list. So for item in list, do I have to do this? Is this right? Add item. I'm just going to print list. Oh, at the end, I just want to print it and see what I'm doing. I use print statements and absolutely wreck my way through code, but it works slowly. Okay. All right. Expected set. We did the set. Now we just need to return it instead of printing it. Return list. Did that work? Yeah, baby. Oh, that feels good. Okay. Oh, I love getting those right. It is so ridiculously satisfying. Although I spoke soon because I didn't submit yet. And there could be a trick in there. No! And we got our daily chest. Yeah! All right. I feel a little cheap because that one came like reasonably easy. Now, I don't know how you would write that in a single line of code because I'm not that good yet. I'm sure there's a way to do it. And I bet if I open the solution, it'll tell me. But let's just mess around for a few more minutes and see if I can figure it out. I wonder if it's something like, I feel like you have to be able to set the list and add the items like at the same time. Hey, what's up, Ian? Good evening. Oh, where are you at, hot dog flavored water? Because it is what, 5 o'clock? Oh yeah, it is evening. Oh my goodness. Didn't even know what time it was. All right. Thank you for stopping in. I don't know how much longer we're going to be here tonight because I got to get ready for the children. They're coming home. We got to have dinner. And then just a little bit of a... Oh, 11 p.m. Oh, yeah. So like super evening for you in Norway. I have never been to Norway. It's definitely up there on the list of places I would like to go. Yeah, boot.dev. I've been working on it. I've been pretty proud of this. Here, check this out. I have been doing it every day for the month of December. And I feel very excited. No way. What? Why do we have 2 Norwegians? There's 3 people in chat and 2 of them are from Norway. That's amazing. What am I doing on Twitter? Because I'm assuming you guys mostly found me on Twitter. I'm appealing to the Norwegian populace. Who knew? That's hilarious. Okay, well, I guess I got to get to Norway. All right. I don't know if this is doable. I'm just making it up, and I just want to see if It says you can do it in one line, so I feel like there has to be a way to create a set and add to it and also do a for loop all in one line. Oh man, I don't even know where to start on that, to be honest with you. That's above my knowledge level. Okay, let's just look at the solution and let's see, because I already solved it in my way and I feel good about that. So why don't we just check out the solution? Oh my god. That's it. What? Well, that's frustrating. Oh, come on. That's all you have to do? Python? Okay, I do like to sometimes update my answers to match the solution, and I don't know why. It's just a weird thing. But Python, come on, man. That's it? Oh my goodness. Okay. Did you guys all know that? Because I did not. I had absolutely no idea. That was unknown to me. Ugh. Why did it have to be so easy? Why couldn't it have been like at least a few more things? I love coding. It's the best. It is amazing. And it's not frustrating at all. What hot dog you use, Clyde? Oh man, are you guys getting into some Norwegian stuff? Alright, let's do one more. And then I'm gonna have to cut it off and get these videos ready for posting before the kids come home. Because if I don't do it now, it's actually my birthday tomorrow. And so I'm going Norwegian chat. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's do vowels. Sure, another assignment. Vowels. You've been hired by a blogging company and they are asking you to analyze one of their recent posts to determine the number of vowels, I can read, present in their paragraphs. Assignment. Complete the count vowels function. It should take a string and return a count of the number of values. Oh my gosh. Why can't I say vowels? Vowels within the given string and a set of its unique vowels. For this challenge, we are only interested in the 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So the sometimes Y is on the no sometimes this time. And their capitalized versions. In addition, treat uppercase and lowercase vowels as separate. For example, A and A are not the same. Oh, man. Remember when I said when I read these, I have no idea what I just read, and I don't really understand what it's asking? That's what I feel like right now. Probably because I could not say the word vowel. Okay, so it's obviously going to have to do with sets. But I'm going to need to split it first into the letters. So I just want to see what happens because I don't remember how it'll split. So if I do that, is that going to split? What did I print? I printed that. Okay. So it's a list. Is that what it said it was going to do? It should take a string and return a count of numbers. Okay, I need to split it more. Right? Because that's... Okay, wait. What was it actually? I love print statements. They're awesome. Okay, yeah, so that's the whole thing. But I need to split it into characters. And I know there's a way to do that. Okay, we're going to go back. This is not cheating. At least in the world that I've created. And I believe it was in loops. And where was split? I gotta find it. Maybe it wasn't in loops. Comparisons? I mean, that doesn't make sense, but... Split, where are you? I'm gonna find you. Are you in lists? No. Where was split? List relation tables. Oh, I'm never gonna find this, am I? Functions? Sure, why not? Orders, functions, quiz. Multiple return values. Enchant. No. Scope. Is it under scope? Or value? No, that doesn't make sense. Friends. It doesn't make sense. Binary numbers. Not logical operators? No, that doesn't make sense either. What? I'm just saying things. Oh, I'm just saying garbage. This is what's going to happen. Is I said I was going to do one more. And now we're going to hit that point where I can't figure it out and I'm stuck. And we're going to be here all night. Testing a debug? No. I just need to remember where split was. It was in one of these things. Negative numbers. I'm also just not reading this closely. I really should be slowing down. So after 11 o'clock, at 11 o'clock on a Monday, what do you do out in Norway? Anything fun and exciting? It's got to be in loops, right? White space in Python. Ranged. Wow. Match countdown. Critical hit. Okay, it's going to be in here somewhere. I've got a good feeling about this. Makes the most sense that it would be in a loop. No. Random events? No. Okay, this is exciting. All right, well, let's see if I can just remember what to do. I know there's a way. I know I need to split the characters. So I got the split part right as far as like splitting it to the words, which is good. But I don't remember how to split it by character. And I know there's a simple way to do it that's super straightforward. And I know I could ask Boots, and that would probably be the smart thing to do. But I don't want to, because I don't like asking Boots. He's very smart, but he makes me feel like a fool. Okay. White space in Python. No. Oh. Oops. I know I already did this one. Continued. Oh. How's the stream coming through? Hopefully it's still coming. I stopped paying attention. Oh no, I'm way down low. Ah, I wasn't paying attention. Okay. My computer did get hot. Darn it. Okay. Can we fix this? Don't get hot, computer. Oh no. Darn. Why are you saying excellent bitrate? I mean, clearly you're lying. Okay. I think we're back up. Oh, that's a... If it froze for you guys where it froze for me, that was pretty epic. All right, hold on. Let's see if I can get this up. I need to cool that computer down. All right. Is it coming through okay again? Everything's lying to me. It's saying I'm like getting a ton of kilobits per second. But it's obviously not doing a great job on here. Let's see. Oh yeah, unstable. Let's see. Okay, now it's saying we're stable again. Is that accurate? Thought it was my internet. Nope, it was me. Okay, let me know if you can hear me. And if it says it's come back on my end. So let me know. I hope that's true. But I obviously have no idea because I can't tell. But it looks better, I think. Yeah, I think we're good. If you can see the chat, tell me if they're good. Okay. Not sure. But OBS is saying we're good. It's saying 60 frames per second or 55 right now. All right. Well, yeah, we're good. Okay, thank you. Sorry, I need a better setup if I'm going to actually keep doing this. Oh, that was fun. Well, you didn't miss anything. I didn't do anything, and I'm just going to see. I got to figure out if I can. Might have to try the next one on the other computer and see if it works better. For streaming. Okay, we're good though. I'm going. We're going back. All we did was continue to try and find. All I did was try and find the splits because I know we can do it, and I'm honestly now so thrown off. I got to get back into this somehow without ruining my life. All right, let's go back here. Vowels. So that is splitting it. I know there's a way to split into letters. It's not just like a double split, right? That would be silly. I think. Right? It can't just be a double split. Hold on. Now I'm just playing around with things that aren't what I'm trying to do. All right. Counting the vowels. How can I do that? I get the part. I know I need to add these to a list. Can you just do this? Or to a set? Dot. Can you just do... Okay. I'm just curious. If I just do that, does that actually work? No. Oh, split. Oops. Too many. Too many parentheses. No. Oh, no. Oh, right. Duh. That's how they just did it. It was like this. I just want to see if that works. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait. And that actually did it? But it needs to know vowels. So what I need to do is this. If okay. So I can do this. I can do for character in, can I do this? If character equals, oh, I know there's going to be a smarter way to do this. Like comparing it with a list, right? Okay, I'm going to do it the slow way. If it equals A, or character equals E, or character. I know this is bad. I know. I do. I swear I do. Character equals O, or character equals U, then I want to add it. I need to add it to a new thing, right? We'll just do vowels equals, what does it want? And it wants me to return a set though, doesn't it? It should take a string and return a count of the numbers as within. I'm just gonna return it as a. Oh, actually, oh yeah. I just want to do this. I'm doing this totally wrong, but I just want to see if I can get it to work first. And so then just do vowels dot append character. And oops. Oh, this is so hilariously bad. I love it. Print vowels. Did this do what I wanted it to do? Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh, wait. What didn't it like? Oh, I'm such a fool. Duh. Okay. You need to make it a string, not a variable. Wouldn't that make sense? Please don't judge me. I know this is terrible. Actually, judge me. I don't care. It is terrible. Nope, it didn't work. Fudge. Why not? What did I do wrong here? Probably something to do with how I did this. Oh, no. That was right. Oh, wait. What? Why didn't it add it to that? Oh, also, yeah, I'm realizing now I have to start over. This is terrible. Okay, that's it. I don't have enough time to think through this. I know I was doing it poorly. We're just gonna do this. This never happened. This this never happened. I got too cocky. I got way too cocky earlier. I was getting too excited that I was gonna be able to crush this, and I can't do it right now. I can't think about it. I know I have to take a totally different approach, but I'm gonna have to go answer the door in about 5 seconds. So we're gonna end it. We're gonna come back to this one tomorrow. This is going to be my birthday challenge, and I'm going to solve it on my birthday because I'm not gonna solve it right now. I first off just want to say thank you, everybody that came in. This was wild to me that there were a few people in here at the same time chatting, and the fact that apparently I'm a big deal in Norway. That's cool to know. We made it almost through the whole stream without things starting to wreck. And I'm so excited. And we did a few, we actually did some challenges, and I came onto this one and absolutely blew it. And that was awesome. And there's nothing better to end on than me biffing it incredibly hard. So thank you for coming. I will be back tomorrow. I don't have a cool sign off or anything. Thank you. I will enjoy my birthday. I don't know what the plan is, and that's my favorite thing. Other than I know I get to go watch my daughter and my son in their school play for the Christmas holiday in the middle of the day. And even if that's the only thing I do for my birthday, I will be very excited. So I'm looking forward to it. Thanks, man. I will be back tomorrow. I promise I'll be back to do this and solve it. I won't cheat when I'm away. I promise. I'm not going to cheat and look up the answer or practice. My goal is to be authentic on here, and you get to watch me struggle and show that it can be done even if you don't know what you're doing. So I won't cheat. I promise. I'm not going to cheat. But I will be back tomorrow, and we will get through this. And if you're around when I get back tomorrow, then I look forward to figuring this out. Team Norway will be back. That's awesome. I love it. Oh, the oil money. There you go. I can't wait. Hey, if you enjoyed this, keep coming back and spread the word. We'll see what happens. I'm excited. This is awesome. I hope that the smile is coming through as big as it is on my face, because it's very enjoyable. So thank you, everyone. And when you go live on your streams, tag me or make sure you hit me up on Twitter so that I remember, and I'll try and come watch everybody. I would love to see what you guys are working on as well. So I appreciate it. No more rambling. I'm out. Have a good night. Enjoy your Monday, and we will talk to you tomorrow. All right, everyone. Korean barbecue is where you should go. Oh, man. Love it. That would actually be good. I haven't been to Korean barbecue in a while. Okay. Stop distracting me. I love you, chat, but you could keep me here all night. And then I will remember to raid someone. Oh, I've never done that. I don't know how. Do you just press raid? Is that it? And I just pick anybody who's live? Oh, that's cool. Okay, I'm gonna do that. All right, but if I raid someone, you all need to behave yourselves and make me look good, or else they're gonna be like banned from raiding, and they'll never let me do it. So, okay, let's try this. Do you guys have any? Does it matter? I can just pick anyone. What are you interested in? Same category? Let's see. Who is... just chatting's not really... Okay, I'll do following. Who am I following that you guys can raid? Oh, nobody. Oh, wait. I'll get rid of the category. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to raid someone. This is great. I've never done this before. I love it. I'm into it. Sorry it's taking so long. That's how bad I am at this. Okay, we're going to pick... let's see. Okay, here we go. Why not this person? Who knows? What are they doing? Oh, here, wait. Let's do coding. Let's do somebody in coding at least, right? No? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't even figure this out. Oh, my goodness. Do you guys want to go watch World of Warcraft? Oh, too bad Trav. Yeah. I mean, it's unfortunate that he's gone and no longer with us, Trav. You know, but maybe in spirit he'll come back. Pick a coder. Okay. So I will just do a... Oh, here, I can pop this out. Okay, good. Because I kept trying to, like, look at the raid channel and then talk to you guys, and I didn't know what I was doing. Okay, so search filter, category, Anhan codes is on for my follow list. Okay, I'm down. I don't know who they are, so why not? Codes, Anhan. Maybe I'll have to sign up for them too. Okay, perfect. Let's give them a go. All right. Do I just press start raid? Is that all I do? I'm like nervous. I don't... I'm not subscribed to them. I don't follow them. All right, I'm doing it. Be good if you go watch them. All right, peace out, everybody. Thank you. Oh, 1 view ready to raid. This is awesome. Oh, I only have 2. 3. Do I have to have a certain amount? Chat successfully debated him into staying longer. Yes, you really did. You 100% did. Okay, rating. Right now. Yep, RIP Trav. Pour one out for Trav. Rating.